Hello, everyone. Welcome to the classroom of Advanced Manufacturing Technologies for Welded Structures. Today, the content to be explained is the operation process of laser cutting and blanking. I am the lecturer, Yu Xiaoron. First, let's get to know equipment and material preparation. Inspection of equipment. 1. Laser status. Check the operating status of the laser generator and confirm that the cooling system is working normally. 2. Optical path calibration. Inspect the cleanliness of focusing lenses and reflectors to ensure optical path alignment. 3. Gas system. Confirm stable auxiliary gas pressure and no pipeline leaks. 4. Motion system. Check rail lubrication and belt tension, and clean debris from the cutting table. Preparation of materials. 1. Material confirmation. Distinguish between metal and non-metal, and set different cutting modes. 2. Surface treatment. Remove oils, stains, and films from the plate to prevent cutting smoke from contaminating the lenses. 3. Plate fixing. Use magnetic fixtures or vacuum adsorption tables to ensure the plate is flat. Flatness, less than or equal to 1 mm per square meter. Next, let's learn about parameter setting and programming. 1. Core parameters. 1. Power and speed. 2. Focus position. Adjust according to thickness. 2. Software operation. Import DXF/AI files into the programming software. 3. Path optimization. Improve cutting quality and efficiency and save costs. Now, let's learn about test cutting and parameter verification. 1. Empty travel test. Turn off the laser and run the program to check if the cutting head movement range is within limits. 2. Test cutting steps. 1. Cut a 10 by 10 mm square hole at the edge of the plate, and observe the slit quality and section roughness. 2. Measure dimensional errors, required to be within plus or minus 0.1 mm. Adjust compensation parameters for overtolerance, thermal expansion compensation, and fillet correction. The next step is formal cutting. 1. Startup process. Turn on the smoke and dust exhaust system. Select the program and start automatic focusing, capacitive or laser ranging. 2. Monitoring of cutting status. 1. Spark morphology. Normal is uniform downward spark ejection. In case of lateral splashing, check the focus or air pressure. 2. Perforation control. Select the progressive perforation for thick plates. Next, we will learn about post-processing and quality inspection. 1. Part processing. 1. Remove microconnections. 2. Clean the oxide layer. 2. Quality inspection. 1. Dimensional detection. 2. Section analysis. What are the safety and maintenance points for post-processing and quality inspection? Let's learn together now. 1. Safety protection. 1. Goggles. Wear special laser protection goggles. 2. Closed protection. The cutting chamber door must be closed to prevent laser reflection damage. 3. Gas safety. Nitrogen rooms shall be equipped with oxygen content alarms. 2. Maintenance of equipment. 1. Daily maintenance. Clean lenses and check gas filters. 2. Monthly maintenance. Calibrate the optical path and lubricate transmission components. 3. Annual overhaul. Replace laser coolant and detect optical component attenuation. Next, we will explain through a case study. 1. Power on. 1. Turn the machine chiller start switch to the on position. 2. Turn the laser start switch to the on position. 3. Press the dryer on the off button to set it to on. Click the cool dryer power switch to set it to 1. And wait 5 minutes. 4. Press start on the air compressor touchscreen and open the air supply valve. 5. Connect the external power supply. Turn the machine's main power knob switch to the on position. 6. Click the start button on the console. Wait 3 minutes for the system to fully start. Release the emergency stop. Press the reset button and turn on the machine access enable. 2. Part import. Import the developed drawing of the part. An imported file is a .dwg file. To save costs, developed drawings of different parts can be imported simultaneously to achieve maximum material utilization. As shown in the figure, the developed drawings of the front web and rear web of the bucket rod are imported. 3. Lead-in and lead-out line setting. Set lead-out lines based on the quality requirements of each edge of the part. The first cut edge has better quality, while the last cut edge may have slight deformation due to the thermal input from previous cuts. Therefore, the edges requiring priority in cutting quality are generally cut first. 4. Jacking. The purpose of jacking is to make full use of raw materials, produce as much as possible on a limited material area, improve material utilization, and reduce waste. Click Nesting for automatic nesting, and the system will automatically complete the nesting action. Click Collision Prevention to prevent the outer contours of two parts from overlapping, avoiding cutting into another part when cutting one. 5. NC Program Generation. After nesting is completed, click Nesting NC, and the system will automatically generate the NC program and display the cutting time. 6. Cutting parameter setting. Set laser cutting parameters on the laser cutting machine system, as shown in the figure. Set parameters such as laser power, cutting speed, power slope adjustment, and focus position. The selection of laser cutting parameters largely affects the final cutting quality of sheet metal parts. 7. Laser cutting. After checking that all system components and laser parameters are correct, start laser cutting. 8. Cutting quality inspection. The cutting section quality of sheet metal parts can be checked by observation and touch. The quality standards for the cutting section of sheet metal parts are as follows. 1. The overall cutting of the sheet metal part is uniform and smooth, with no burning or defects on the surface, and no slag or burrs on the cut section or lower surface. 2. The cutting section of the sheet metal part is relatively neat. 9. Shutdown. 1. Press the emergency stop and click the shutdown button on the console. 2. Turn the laser start switch to the off position. 3. Turn the machine chiller start switch to the off position. 4. Press stop on the air compressor touchscreen and close the air supply valve. 5. 5 minutes after the air compressor is turned off, click the cool dryer power switch to set it to 0, and press the dryer on/off button to set it to OFF. 6. Turn off the external power supply. Turn the machine's main power knob switch to the off position. This lesson is concluded. Thank you for listening.